Good day to thee, my lords and ladies. Okay, so let me start off with what you're hearing is not going to be matching my lips because I have no idea where my audio went, but it left. So it's voiceover time. Okay, so for today's little project, I actually am a gymnastics coach, and the girls have their Christmas party coming up, and so I decided for Christmas this year I would give them hangers. Not just any hangers, like really cute little decorated hangers for their competition Leos to hang on, because we're actually doing some really nice Leos this year, and I'm super excited. But I want to make sure that these Leos stay nice for competition and that the girls have it in their heads to take care of them. And every year I like to do something that is vaguely helpful for their Christmas present. So I figured it would be really cute to take these velvet and rose gold hangers and then tie them up with little ribbons and overall just make it really cute, really fun. So the velvet will keep the leotard from slipping off, and the little rose gold will be pretty, and the purple actually matches their colors. So I figured I'd order a lot of ribbon off of Amazon and like I said, tie those into little bows and make it super cute. And yeah, I guess let's get into it. Now, for starters, the ribbon is satin, which means it will unravel. However, because it is a polyester satin, that means we can melt the edges and keep it from fraying. So what I always like to do is just light a little tea candle, figure out how much ribbon I want it, trim it, and then very, very carefully run that edge of the ribbon through the flame so it not so much that it doesn't melt, but more so it singes the edges and keeps it from fraying off. You do have to be very careful, that way you don't end up melting it to your finger, which is what I did the very first time I ever tried this technique. Don't recommend. they're finally all done. Yay. So I've got 3 different colors. The dark purples, the light purples. I was really hoping that I would have enough of these 2 to do all of the hangers. Unfortunately not, but that's okay because my pack came with the lighter ones, which is more pink, I think, than purple, which is, it's okay. Their Leos are purple, not pink, but it works. So maybe some of the little ones will want these instead. We'll see. Yeah, super easy. It was just kind of time consuming, that's all. But, ta-da! Aren't they cute? Oh, I'm so excited to give them to them. So now they have a safe place to hang their competition Leos, which will hopefully keep their very nice Leos safe and not stranded at the very bottom of their backpack. So yeah. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I have nothing else to say. Merry Christmas! As a side note, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button to tell YouTube that you found it vaguely interesting. If you want to do me a favor, hit subscribe, and yeah. Let me know if you decide to do something like this for a sports team of your own. Yeah, good luck, have fun.